everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. I'm inviting you to watch this video. I'm making Asian flavored beef. This beef comes out really tender, juicy, and delicious. I really recommend this recipe. One, because it's so easy to make and with just a few ingredients. Remember that I always post the ingredients and the steps to take to making my recipes below the video. I'm also taking this opportunity to invite you to subscribe to my channel. It really doesn't cost anything. So please join me in my kitchen to make this wonderful and delicious Asian beef. And for this recipe, I'm going to be preparing about 4 pounds of round roast beef. I'm going to trim the excess fat and cut them in big chunks. I'm going to place the beef inside a Dutch oven, making 1 layer, then dicing a big large onion and adding it to the beef. Also 1/2 of a cup of green onion, which I'm going to add for now the white part. In a big cup, I'm going to mix 1 cup of soy sauce with 1/4 of a cup of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lemongrass paste, and you can use the fresh kind, 4 mashed garlic cloves, I'm going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, peeling it, mash it, and adding it to the liquid. Also 1/4 of a cup of light brown sugar, 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of the orange juice, 1/4 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Mix all of these ingredients well and add it to the beef in the Dutch oven, making sure the beef is completely submerged into the liquid. Turn on the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the Dutch oven and place it in the oven and let it cook for 3 hours or until tender. When removing from the oven, turn on the stove in high temperature and let the liquid boil. In the meantime, remove the beef and add to the sauce 1/4 of a cup of Hoisin sauce. This is the Hoisin sauce which I found in the Asian aisle in my supermarket. It looks like molasses. The purpose of letting it boil on the stove is to let it reduce to about 1.5 cups of liquid. Then while it's boiling, I'm going to strain it through a strainer, removing any chunks of the onions and whatever solids are inside the sauce. Then once it's clean, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of orange juice and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. When the sauce is already reduced to about 1.5 cups, then I add back the beef. And I'm going to raise the temperature of the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to place the beef back into the oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is almost complete. Just take your beef and place it in the serving platter and then sprinkle the green portion of the green onion. Serve it over white rice. It's the perfect combination. Well, I hope you like this video and that you come back to see me again. Don't forget to click like and post your comments if you like. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.